Hello friends, we are going to see about files and streams at present. In your last lecture, you have learned about file modes. We are going to see about file pointers today. File pointers are actually the pointers. Each and every file object when you are using for reading or writing purpose, it has two types of pointers available. One that is get pointer and the second that is put pointer. When you are having these two pointers, it actually specifies the byte number in the file where you are reading or writing the file. By default, whenever a reading pointer is there, it is set at the beginning, and in the append mode, the writing pointer is set at the end. When you are just opening for writing purpose, your writing pointer is set to the first, that is beginning position. There are times when you must take control of the file pointers yourself so that you can read from any arbitrary location or write to any arbitrary location, and file pointers make that possible. So by default, when you are there creating an input stream opening for only reading purpose, the input pointer is point to the beginning of the file. If you open the file in append mode, it goes to the end of the file. And if you open for writing only purpose, then the put pointer is set to the first position, that is the beginning position. So to happen these random file access using file pointers, we have four different functions in C++, that is CG, CP, telg, and telp. Now CG and CP and telg and telp are the four functions. First two functions are used to moving the pointers to the specified location, and telg and telp are going to tell you at which position the get and put pointer is there respectively. So seekg function is having either one argument or two argument, where you have one argument where you just give one offset, that is absolute position from the beginning. From beginning, how many bytes ahead you want to go and start reading from. So if I'm having infile dot seekg and 10, that means I want to go to the set my reading pointer 10 positions from the beginning of the file, that is from the 11th byte, and I want to start reading from there. So here you have to give the file pointer dot seekg and then offset. So file pointer is actually the object of ifstream or fstream or fstream. So seekg is having another alternative. You can use seekg offset comma ref position, where your seekp also uses the similar case, and the ref position can be any of the three, that is IOS scope resolution operator BEG, that is going to the start of the file. Current position means IOS scope resolution CUR, and if you are want to go to the end of the file or set any pointer to the end of the file, you have to use IOS end. So here offset means actually the number of bytes the file pointer is to be moved from the location specified by the parameter reference position. So here, for example, if I'm opening a test.txt and I'm writing, I want this get pointer to point, the reading pointer should be 20 bytes ahead from the beginning position in text.txt, and then start reading from there. तो जैसे बुक में आप लोग कहीं से आपको रीड करना है, पेज नंबर 5 से रीड करना है डायरेक्टली, अगर आपकी बुक 300 पेजेस की है, बट इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट नॉट रीड फ्रॉम one position but you want to read it from 115th page, then what you are going to do, you are going to set your pointer, or you are setting your bookmark to 115 page. In the similar manner, your seekg function is used to set the reading pointer from where you want to read to a particular position. So here it also gives you the direction, मतलब current position से या beginning position से या end position से आगे पीछे जो भी देना है, you can use offset comma seek direction. And these offset, as we have already discussed, the direction can be begin, current, and end. So these are the alternatives of functions. You can use seekg, seekp, telg, telp, and apart from that, you can use seekg and seekp with two parameters, right, written as 0 comma ios begin means you want to read from start. 0 comma ios cur means you want to start reading from wherever you are, current position जहाँ है वहाँ से reading शुरू करनी है. Then you are giving iOS current, and if you are going to the end of the file, you have to give 0 comma iOS end. By default तो end में ही set होता है, लेकिन अगर आपको set करना है, you can set it to end position by using this. And suppose if CG is there and I want to write iOS begin, m comma iOS begin means what it will do, 20 bytes from the beginning position it will go forward and start reading from there. From the current also the similar case. And if I'm using minus m, that is a negative sign, that means I want to start reading from the, I move my pointer 10 m bytes backwards and then start reading or writing operation. So, for example, as CT is here, it is shown m comma iOS begin means I move m bytes ahead from the beginning position and start my reading. And if I'm saying iOS current minus m, suppose if my current position is n, from there I have to come m bytes backwards and then start reading. Okay. If we pass a negative value for the first argument of offset, then actually the reading or writing operation is done in the backward direction from the position specified. And in the above example, when I'm writing CG minus 2 iOS current means I am moving 2 bytes backwards from the current position and start reading from there. So in the similar manner, telg function is there which tells you the current position of the input pointer. This function also returns an integer value as shown over here. You have to use it with file pointer dot telg, and then it returns an integer value. That is why you have to write integer position is equal to fn dot telg. This integer can be short or long and so on. Then to tell you function, see that you have here 10 comma iOS begin, set your input pointer to 10 bytes ahead of the beginning position, and then you have asked using telg, you come to know about which what is the position of your get pointer. Is it surely move 10 bytes ahead or not, अगर आपको देखना है तो you can use telg function over there which returns an integer value. Okay. So this is a program where you are opening a particular file, that is test.txt, and you are getting to know what is the beginning and ending position by using telg function. You will write fn.telg. Since you have opened the file, beginning pointer is at 0th position, so it will give you 0 for beginning, and then you are changing the position to the end using what, fn dot cg 0 comma iOS end means you are going to the end position. The read pointer is set pointed to the last position, and then you come to know that is what is the end position of the file, and end will give you accordingly what is the position. And then if you want to see the total size of the files, you can do using end minus begin. Okay, and then you can close the file. So this is the operation of the telg and telp. So if you see the output, you are having test.txt and I'm writing certain code, hello dear student, and it will give me beginning position from telg is 0 and ending position using cg means after setting it to some end position, it has given that there are 19 characters in the file. So total size of the file will be 19 minus 0, begin minus end, that is 19. In the similar manner as of CG, you are also using CP function, which is used to move the output pointer to a specific file location. Syntax is similar to that of your CG and TLG is also having the similar function, similar syntax as well as example over here. So this is about LP. LP is used to get the current position of the output pointer, and again it is also returning an integer value. So for example, if I am writing 10 comma iOS begin means from beginning position I move 10 positions forward, and then I want to know what is my position. So I can use using LP. So see a program where you are writing, you are opening a particular file test.txt and written certain code inside it. That is my name is Kenjan. After that, I want to know after writing my name is Kenjan, what is my position of my current foot pointer. So you can use telp long position, and then after that, what I have done is my and knowing the end position, I have then added 6 to it. Means my position plus 6 bytes ahead I will go, and then I am starting. After that, I am writing my name is surname is Sangvi. So between my name is Kenjan and my surname is Sangvi, there is a space of 6 tabs in between using fout.cp position plus 6, and then I close my file. This much is what I have done. Data written successfully, and if you observe the test.txt, two things have gone over there. My name is Kenjan. After that, a 6 tab space has come, and then my name is Sangvi is coming. So this six tab space is due to only f out dot seek p position plus 6. So try writing this program using get and fit pointers where I'm writing certain thing into a file. Uh, Hello dear students, and how was your Diwali vacation? And then I'm moving my after writing Diwali vacation, उसमें जो भी current position है वहाँ से मुझे 7 bytes पीछे आना है. So I'm writing -7 bytes. So -7 byte means vacation का ATION and question mark. So ATION and question mark. अगर आपने इसके बाद राइटिंग आफ्टर मूविंग पॉइंटर लिखा है तो अब वाज या दिवाली बैक आएगा और उसके बाद राइटिंग आफ्टर मूविंग पॉइंटर. Then you from the beginning position, if I want to go 7 things ahead, 7 bytes ahead, and then I have to write something, I write it as in this manner. And after writing is complete, I start reading from the file using iOS in iOS 18, and then I seek my get pointer zero position. Till the end of the file, I start reading and put the contents into the buffer, and then I get to know the position of my file, whether I have reached the end of the file or not. If your end of file is reached, the telg function will return -1 in the position. So here the output is shown. Your test.txt. See, hello dear students was written, but it has been replaced with dear students has been replaced with hello all. Then how was your Diwali vacation? Your vacation has been gone, and it is replaced with writing after moving pointer. So if you run this code after that, it will show the current position of put pointer is 47, means you have written 47 characters and writing has been complete, and then accordingly it is going to read the file and display it. So this was all about the file pointers which we have seen. This was a reference which we have used for file pointers. So thank you so much dear students.